being comes after have, has, or had, and being comes after is, am, are, was, or were. Number 1. She has blank very kind lately. Should we say being or being? The word before the blank is has, and after has, we put being. So the answer is she has been very kind lately. This means she has shown kindness for a period of time. Great start. Number 2. They are blank too loud today. The word before the blank is are. After are, we put being. So the sentence is they are being too loud today. This means their behavior right now is noisy and disruptive. Number 3. I have blank to London twice. We see have, after have, or has, we put being. So the answer is I have been to London twice. This means I traveled there 2 times in my life. Number 4. He is blank rude right now. We spot is, after is, am, or are. We always put being. So he is being rude right now. This means his current behavior is rude. Maybe he just needs a nap, don't we all? Number 5. We had blank so busy last week. The word had is right there. That's the signal for being. So the correct answer is we had been so busy last week. This means we were extremely occupied during that time. So to recap, being comes after have, has, or had, and being comes after is, am, are, was, or were. That's the golden rule. Now it's your turn. Try the extra exercise by yourself.